Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This soundbar is Samsung Soundbar B46CF, a 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, 300 watts and 3 speakers. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this with your laptop via Bluetooth. What you need to do is you need to switch the soundbar on, and it's showing us BT ready. Now we're going to connect it with laptop. Go to your laptop settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices, switch Bluetooth on. So add a device, then select Bluetooth. And now it's searching for available Bluetooth device, B series soundbar audio. Select on it. Your device is ready to go. Then you select done. So you need to keep an eye. It will show you connected audio. It will not beep. But if you look on the soundbar, it will show you BT, and it will no longer show you BT ready. So once it's connected, you will see it on your laptop that is connected audio, and also on the soundbar, it will show you BT. Now we're going to test the audio using Orbit Sound. This is the audio. You can decrease the volume on the top. The plus is for you to increase the volume. This button is input, and this button is for you to switch off the soundbar. this remote control, you switch the soundbar on and off on this button. This button is input or source or functional button. Select this button to select optical or HDMI, and also it goes to Bluetooth as well. This button is Bluetooth pairing. The center one is pause and play. So if you select pause, the music will stop. You can see the audio stop now. If you select it again, it will start. Then this button is mute. If you select it, it will show you mute. The music will stop. If you select it again, the audio will start. This button is for you to increase the volume. Push it up to increase the volume. Pull it down, you decrease the volume. This button is woofer. If you pull it up, it goes all the way to +6 is the maximum. If you pull it down, it goes all the way to -12. -12 is the minimum for woofer. So pull it up, the maximum is +6. +6 is the maximum. This button with gear, select it for voice enhancement and night mode. This button is tone control. This button goes to treble, bass, treble. So this tone control goes treble or bass. If you select treble, then you select plus to increase it. Treble, select plus. Treble goes all the way to +6. So if you want to select treble, select tone control. It will show you treble or bass. Then you select plus to increase it or minus to decrease it. Showing us bass. So bass is +6. So this button is for night mode or voice. If you select voice or night, select plus to switch it on, or select it again to switch it off. If you select goes to night, it's off, it's on. So voice enhancement is off, voice is off, and it's on. Then this button is channel level, visual X. So these are the features and information you need to know about this soundbar, and it deserves your attention. I'm very much happy with it. Thank you very much indeed.